Hey everyone! Welcome back to Mommy Tech Kids. Today we have something super exciting for you. If you love games and want to learn how to make your own, you're in the right place. First, let's take a quick look at the game. It's a classic ping pong game where you control the paddle and try to keep the ball from falling off the screen. The longer you play, the faster the ball moves. And now we'll take you through the steps we used to code this game in Scratch. Step 1. We started by creating our main sprites. We have a paddle which you control and a ball that moves around the screen. To make these, we either chose pre-made sprites from Scratch or drew our own. You can make them as simple or as fancy as you want. We coded the ball to move. We used the when green flag clicked block to start the game. And then added the forever loop to keep the ball moving. We also used the if on edge bounce block so the ball bounces back when it hits the screen edges. We coded the ball to bounce back when it hits the paddle. For this, we used the if touching paddle block. And don't forget to add a sound effect when the ball hits the paddle. It makes the game more fun. What's a game without a score? We added a variable called point and set it to increase every time the ball touches the paddle. And that's it. Now let's make the paddle move. We use the mouse movement to move the paddle left and right. You can use the when right arrow key pressed and when left arrow key pressed blocks to move the paddle left and right. Time to make the game challenging. We coded our very own ping pong game. Let's test it out to see how well it works. It's so cool to see everything come together. And the best part is you can customize it however you like. Thank you for watching. Kindly subscribe, comment, and like and support this channel.